Set. Oh, you look like I was looking down.
You guys ready?
What was that? Ready, sir?
Yeah, we're ready.
She says game on. You doing auto or semi? Do semi. You want to wreck your battery? How much was that gun at? How much was that gun? 300. Yeah. You want to wreck that? You want to wreck that? Yeah. That was 300 bucks? What is it? That was 150.
Well, it was like 260, but then I had to buy like other shit, so it was like a total.
Oh, okay. So
Mine
the gun by itself was how much?
260.
I'll get a silencer on that, just one more accurate.
Actually, let me see if I got my shit in there.
An extended barrel is practically a silencer.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
The BB doesn't.
The silencer is just the tube that attaches to the shortened part of the barrel and the extended barrel. Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
Game on, guys, game on!
Yo. Let's go defend that flag over there.
Which one?
That one we can send a punch right over there.
You can't all be in the same spot.
Can you show this in space? We can all get moving out.
Whoa, they cleared it out. You haven't been here in a while. Alex.
Look down on them.
That was right past.
If it's not shooting, you might have to hold.
It just fucking passed me, found it.
Contact.
What?
He's right by the car. Straight ahead. Let me take a shot. Here, let me see that.
I got one more shot.
Take a shot. Heads up. Get down. No, he's still there. Oh, them? Yeah, they went to flank him. Right here. Yo, he changed the flag. Changed the flag at the Q van. So watch it. He's right there. He went backward. Okay, I'm gonna go to the road. Simon, you sit here and cover that cube and see if you see anyone pop out. Watch him. Keep an eye on him. Where is he? In the what? Keep an eye on him. Is that guy still over there on the other side? Alright, work up the road with me.
Someone passing 16.
Get in the tire bunker.
What?
Get in the tire bunker. Try and find him.
Oh, right there.
Where?
I'm close.
Watch him, watch him. Shoot him. Shoot?
And two are in here.
Yeah, he's not out anymore, is he?
He went back in.
Just watch there. Just keep an eye on that there. Simon, come here. Simon, come here. Come here. Alright, I want you to move up to that tire bunker.
Why?
And look down there to see if you can get a shot at the guy in that bunker.
Sure you won't shoot me?
No. I got you. Just move. Watch your sides. What? I saw him. Watch that bunker. Watch that spot. He's popping out over the tire bunker. Watch him.
Mine's not active.
Yeah, dude. Watch that spot. Is he still there? Where is he?
In the corner.
What?
I didn't
Get a shot. Watch your side, though. See him there still?
No, he
He did?
He's not at the corner anymore.
Yeah, he did.
Out?
No.
Oh, someone's shooting.
Yeah, I know, he's far down.
He landed right in front of me.
Just keep an eye on that spot. Lay down if you want. There he is. He ran across.
Where?
He ran to the other side of it. You stay there. No. What? N2.
Guys in the north, let's see if we can actually move out of N16 area into the northern parking lot, please.
Yeah, we're pinned.
One enemy unit down at N2, but we have multiple units at N2, so I head up. Try to move up under the northern ridge to get a different angle at them.
Advice, guys. When you're within 100 foot of your respawn, you can't engage, we can't engage.
Oh, my bad.
Alright, just so. Okay, when you guys are within 100 foot of your respawn, you got something.
There's one in N2. He's in this left corner. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. There's also a few guys in the mask. Alright, go. We'll go. Right there. I got him. Here. I'm gonna go take the cube van, cover me.